crock pot or slow cooker chili. Great for the fall or winter, great for the family, super easy to prep, super easy to cook. Let's jump in. So we're using a tomato base here, tomatoes and tomato paste. Our beans, we're gonna dump out some but not all of the juice. And now we're gonna add our various spices. You can cater this any way you want. You could add more heat, you could add different beans, different flavorings of whatever. It really doesn't matter. And that's what I love about this dish. I like to add a good chunk of brown sugar, half a cup. I like mine sweet. And then peppers. Again, you could use serranos, habaneros. Got a couple jalapenos, fresnos, poblanos, and bell peppers here, and a couple of onions. And I'm gonna cut them pretty big. So I cut off the tops and then cut out the inside, the ribs and the seeds. And then we're gonna quarter them. And that's because I wanna retrieve them from the pot later. See right there, I'm cutting off some of the white, some of the pith. That's essentially it. We're gonna repeat that until they're all ready to go. And then move on to our ground beef. We have 1 pound here of 80/20, cooking it on pretty high heat. We wanna get these big chunks here, and we wanna keep it chunky because once it's in the crock pot, we don't want it to totally disintegrate. Once that's done, we're gonna get to our pot, put our peppers in, we're gonna chop up our onions, again, quarter them so they're easy to retrieve. And our last step before we're cooking is straining off the fat from the ground beef. You could easily do this the day before, but just strain her in a measuring cup. You see all the fat? And we are officially done and ready to cook. Does not look great right now, but in a few hours, it's gonna look fantastic. So we're gonna hit that button, get it started, and we'll see you in a couple. Zoop. Been 2 hours. You can see the meat, we have it nicely bubbling. And now's the time when I kind of do my method, which is taking out all of the big vegetables and blending them. For me, it's solely a textural thing. You could do this or not do it, but I do like how it thickens up the sauce. It really makes the sauce nice and thick. And again, it makes it so it's just beans and beef in there, which we seem to love. Another great tip here, you need some really good French bread or some type of really good bread. That's gonna make this really nice and fun to dip all day long. We're essentially done. It's been about 4 hours. We got this great bowl here. If we cheat, we put some shredded cheese, some sour cream, some nice sliced bread, and we're good to go.
Really good.
Certainly a success. I hope you try it. Great for the family. Tons of leftovers. You can freeze them. Like, subscribe. Hit me in the comments. We'll see you next time.